Okay, we've got a Chlorinator cell not producing, even on the boost mode. You can see it's done over 5,000 hours. It's time to replace it. I'm just going to use one of these non-genuine cells. Good little cells, come with a 2-year warranty. Disconnect the cords. Remove the old cell. You can see in the middle there the center plate's all eaten away. It's normally an indication. New one slides straight in. Reconnect the wires. Turn him on, give him a boost. And now producing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day and follow along for some more pool work.